You will need Quartzgrip mesh grating, saw blade suitable for cutting stone, tape measure, pencil, marker, G-clips, bolts and washers, size depends on mesh size, M-clips, bolts and washers, size depends on mesh size. Step 1. Cutting. Cut the panel to your desired size using an untoothed blade, as the upper surface of the grating is impregnated with quartz and may blunt an unsuitable blade or grab the material. Cut panel along nearest moulded rib on the underside to ensure you retain the structural integrity and strength of the panel. Step 2. Fitting. Fit M-clamp through the grating and screw down securely. When fitting more than one panel, use G-clamps to lock the panels together. Contact sales at steponsafety.co.uk or call us on 01206 396446 or visit our website www.steponsafety.co.uk.